Hello everyone, today I am going to show you top best Mido watches based on specifications. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon button for my new videos notification. Number 7. Mido Multifort Automatic Chronograph Men's Watch. Black PVD stainless steel case with a black leather strap. Fixed black PVD bezel. Black dial with orange hands and dot hour markers. Dial type analog chronograph, automatic movement, scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Pull push crown. Skeleton case back. Round case shape. Case size 44 mm. Case thickness 14.5 mm. Bandwidth 23 mm. Water resistant at 30 meters. Functions: chronograph, tachymeter, date, day, hour, minute, second. Multifort series. Casual watch style, Swiss made. Number 6. Mido Multifort Dual Time Automatic Black Dial Men's Watch. Black PVD stainless steel case with a black croco embossed leather strap. Fixed black PVD bezel. Black dial with luminous black hands and index hour markers. 24-hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Automatic movement, scratch resistant sapphire crystal case shape. Case size 42 mm. Case thickness 13.5 mm. Bandwidth 22 mm. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions: date, GMT second time zone, hour, minute, second. Multifort Dual Time series. Casual watch style, Swiss made. Number 5. Mido Commander II Automatic Silver Dial Men's Watch. Rose gold PVD stainless steel case with a black crocodile leather strap. Fixed rose gold PVD bezel. Silver dial with luminous rose gold tone, hands and index hour markers. Dial type analog chronograph. Mido caliber 1320 automatic movements. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Case size 42.5 mm. Case thickness 14.89 mm. Bandwidth 22 mm. Water resistant at 50 meters. Functions: chronograph, date, day, hour, minute, second. Commander I series. Dress watch style, Swiss made. Number 4. Mido Commander Icone Automatic Anthracite Dial Men's Watch. Black PVD stainless steel case with a black PVD stainless steel mesh bracelet. Fixed black PVD bezel. Anthracite dial with luminous silver tone, hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Mido caliber Powermatic 80 automatic movement with an 80-hour power reserve. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Case size 42 mm. Case thickness 11.42 mm. Bandwidth 24 mm. Fold over slip through clasp. Water resistant at 50 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Casual watch style, Swiss made. Number 3. Mido Baroncelli II Automatic White Dial Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. White dial with silver tone, Dauphine style hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Mido caliber 1192 automatic movement, scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Case size 39 mm. Case thickness 6.95 mm. Bandwidth 20 mm. Fold over clasp with a push button release. Water resistant at 30 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Casual watch style, Swiss made. Number 2. Mido Ocean Star Automatic Blue Dial Men's Watch. Silver tone stainless steel case and bracelet. Unidirectional rotating silver tone stainless steel bezel with an inlaid blue ring. Blue dial with silver tone, hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands, automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size, 40.5 m. Case thickness, 13.4 me. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Fold-over clasp with a safety release. Water-resistant at 200 meters. Functions date, day, hour, minute, second, sport watch style, Swiss-made. Number 1. Mido Baroncelli Automatic Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a brown leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Anthracite dial with rose gold tone. Dauphine style shape, hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type, analog. Mido caliber 80 cos C base ET. A 7.821 automatic movement with an 80-hour power reserve. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Pull-push crown, case size 40 m. Case thickness 9.43 m. Bandwidth 20 m. Deployment clasp. Water-resistant at 30 meters. Functions date, hour, minute, second. Casual watch style, Swiss-made.